heart can't think, your heart can't make decisions, your heart work only is pumping blood. It is not
But
matter of
feelings
emotion, it is
has
matter
but
of
feelings has
no,
in your heart,
no,
not your
no. Feelings,
mind.
feelings has only in your mind.
So how
You
the
think that
mental people can express our feelings
they
to
don't
their
have fully
beloved?
mental, because if heart is only part of our body, and the mind is the power of our
Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj from Sure Success Classes. Today we are here to discuss about very important topic. I have four students. They are going to discuss about on topic and that topic is very interesting. Before starting this panel talk, just I wanna tell you they have completed 45 days. Just I want to see which type of things they have improved in their self. And today I'm going to start their GD session. Actually, they used to think that they cannot speak. This is very interesting topic. Topic is this beauty versus brain. This team is going to speak. What is your
Brain.
importance of brain,
Brain.
and this side going to speak importance of beauty.
Beauty.
So here there are very diggas people and these are also very diggas. So let's see how they are going to speak about this interesting topic, because at this time people they think beauty is very important, some of they think brain is very important. So before starting, just I want you introduce yourself and about your topic, what are you going to speak. So who will start first, this side or this?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for having this opportunity. This is Rudra. Today we are here to discuss about a very interesting topic: brain versus beauty. I am favor of brain.
Okay, very good.
Good evening, everyone. I am Yashmin. Today we are here to discuss about beauty versus brain, and I am favor of brain.
Very good.
Hello everybody.
Close mic.
Hello everybody. This is Ruchika Shri and today I am talking about beauty.
Good evening everyone. I am Sana. Today we are here to discussing about beauty versus brain. I am in the favor of beauty.
Okay. Very good. So these guys I'm going to speak about beauty versus brain. Okay, so who will speak first? What's your opinions, Rudra?
Yes, I will speak.
Okay, so what's your opinion? What do you think about brain?
According to me, brain is a much more bigger than beauty.
Okay.
Without brain, we can't do anything in our life. Without brain, we can't qualify any exam, just like CGL, UPSC, NIMSET, and there are lots of exam in our country.
He wants to say that without brain you cannot do anything. So, what do you think, you?
I think beauty is the most important because beauty, when we talk about the term beauty, it's not just about we talk about the outer appearance, it's also about the inner. Beauty is something which comes from the inside. Like when we talk about brain, of course, brain is important, but brain is very manipulative and also very diplomatic, but beauty is not a diplomatic and also not the it's beauty. I think that beauty is also like when you are beautiful, like it's the your confidence automatically built. Like beauty is not just about that somebody looks beautiful and all at all. So like when we said that this is beauty, like it is also related with humbleness, groundness, our nature, how we pleasing the people, how we welcoming the people. Because a beautiful person, we can say that that person is very beautiful and this person is very beautiful. But if that face is beautiful but the inside personality is cunning, so it's very real that it's resemble on the face of that person, that yes, he is smart, she is beautiful, but that face is something else. Like it is very cunning, he is very cunning, she is very cunning. The cunningness and cleverness is also shown on the face, and that's all come things about brain. I mean, brain manipulates. Brain, if a person is have brains, so he is very clever and he is very cunning. Like a person who is very intelligent, we can say that he is very clever, he is very cunning. But beautiful but when we talk about a beautiful person, we can say that ki, oh, he is innocent, he is humble, he don't understand that much things, but we can't say that 90% of the time that ki, he is cunning, she is cunning. So that's all about.
Okay, she spoke very nice about her point clearly that this is very important. Okay, so Yasmin, what do you think according to you?
I think brain is more important than beauty because brain is like a boss of our body. It helps us to feel emotion, think wisely, learn something, or make decision. It is necessary to survival and long-term success. With the help of brain, we can get good jobs, we can score good in our exams, and etc.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Sana, it's your turn. So, what do you think that about your point?
Firstly, I want to say that I agree with your statement that brain is a powerhouse of our body, but beauty is also very important in our life. There is so many types of beauty, like physical beauty, inner beauty, artistic beauty, and intellectual beauty. And people often attracts beauty. Then they notice our mind, brain, and intelligence.
Yes, yes, you are right. Someone
Yes,
said
sir.
that first impression is a
Last
last
impression.
impression. So beauty is very important for us in the first, but people judge their behavior, their nature. So that is, I think, sir, also very important. Okay, so do you have any example where you can prove that brain is very important for us?
Like Einstein, like more important, brain is more important, like mathematician.
She wants to tell you that Einstein, he was not handsome. Okay, he was not looking very handsome guy, but he had mind. Because of that, people know him, and at this time we study about him. He was very popular person. He was a scientist, and all over the country study about him. So
I want to talk about, but taking the examples of beauty, like I know lots of actresses who didn't study that much. Okay, and lots of actors are also there. Like I am taking examples of Ranbir Kapoor. In an interview, he said that he is the first one. He is the first one of his family who is getting 54% throughout the schooling. So I mean, he is not. He said that I am not that much sharp, I am not that much intelligent. But when we take names and the when he works, the people around him whom he work with, they all said that he is a very humble person. He's a very grounded person. Also with the Alia Bhatt, like whenever I see her, she is not good in studies at all. And I also take the example of Karishma Kapoor. She went to school till fifth standards. And lots of actors are also there. Kangana Ranaut gets fail in physics in her 11th.
okay, very
So
good. She is saying that Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, they were not educated, and but how they are performing in their life, they are doing very nice. They are looking very handsome and beautiful. So I think in this field, beauty is very important. Without having not good beauty, you cannot select in this. I think you don't think that skill is and mind is very important.
skill and mind.
Yes.
Sir,
Take the good example.
skill.
Listen to me. Take the good example. Johnny Lever. Johnny Lever, he's not a handsome guy, but he has talent. He was there was a time when he was a very famous comedian. Okay, and every people used to love him. At this time, also people love him, and he acted in the lots of movie, and that was very nice. So I think brain is also very important.
I understand what you said that, but when you give the examples of Johnny Liver, of course he is talented, and also he is very talented and very skilled. That he is doing very well in his journey and his career. But the reason behind is also the beauty. Why I said beauty? Because whatever he did, he also did for his family. He earned money, like in an interview he said that I have no money, that's why I work very hard. Like a person get knowledge and become and try to get that talent and improve their talent and become very talented and very smart and very intelligent. Because of the reason he want to take the responsibility of his family.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay, Sana, what do you think that? Do you have any example? You can prove that.
So you
Yes.
said that Johnny Lever has
Brain.
no. You have said beauty.
He
don't
actually he
have
was
beauty.
not he is not looking very handsome.
But
He
he
does not look
has
very
also,
handsome.
but he has beauty because he expressed his feeling in the way of comedy. This is also called a beauty of expression. If he do not have beauty of expression, so he do not express his feelings and he do not become a comedian.
Okay, beauty means what you are going to judge? Firstly, I think beauty means looking.
It is not just about physical beauty.
Okay, inner beauty is very important. I know
Yes.
inner beauty is very important, and but firstly, people judge their personality, physical beauty. Okay,
Yes, they said they judge the first appearances, but the first appearances and the beauty is we look at the beauty and it looks amazing and beautiful because also the inner beauty. If you are good and if you feel good and you are a good person, then it's shown on your face. Like you can't hide it. If you are a cunning and if you are very clever and you are a not good person with not good personality and you are very smart and handsome, so it's only it's automatically shown on your face that person is good and looking handsome but he is not. And
she wants to say that beauty is very important, and there are two type beauty: inner beauty and the physical beauty. Actually, they want to focus only inner beauty. So, how you can explain?
without without brain we can't express our inner beauty. With the
Very
help of brain we can express our beauty with like comedy,
Yes,
like
yes.
feelings.
Right, right.
If we don't have brain we can't express
Right.
our beauty.
So brain
Whatever
is
she
very
is saying,
important.
yes, brain is very important to function correctly.
Yeah, without brain, how we can
We can't express our feeling.
our ideas front of
Yeah.
the people. And we have seen that someone is looking very beautiful, but they
Yeah.
don't have brain. They are doing a wrong thing, because of that people don't like them. Okay, they don't have any idea how to express their opinion in the society. Because of that people they don't like them. Okay, and the first appearance people they can like, but after talking, after knowing about which type personality, which type thought, which type behavior they have, people started calling up of them.
Yes,
Of them.
cunning of
Okay,
them.
you are very right. Oh, you are very right. Okay, so what do you think? She's saying that without brain you cannot express anything. Doesn't matter if you have beauty.
You can express your feelings by your heart. The person that don't have mentally perfect, they also fall in love. So how can they express their feelings?
Because their mind works sometimes.
No, mental people.
Our body, with the help of our mind we can think anything or we can approve our ideas.
But the topic is brain,
No, no.
not mind, not the brain.
Yes, of course, brain and mind.
So brain is also-
mental people also have brain, also have mind.
Yes.
They can also use their mind.
I want to give
Okay.
she said that having brain we are able to express our feeling. Okay, listen, Yasmin. I go and search like CEOs of the companies. Okay, and very minded people, very CEOs and entrepreneurs and very IIT and MBBS and IMs. At the end, what they said? No, they said that beauty is very important.
They said
They
what
said
they
that
feel.
your mind
They
manipulates
said
you.
what they feel. Because
Listen, first of all,
if
listen.
they don't have mind, they can't reach the position they are. Like
Okay,
CEO,
but
like
they
actors.
are
With the
they
help
are
of mind.
ready to give that position.
They are only saying it's their opinion, what they think is important in their life. But in actually, mind is more important. Mind is giving the message that beauty is important or whatever you think.
No, but you said that na ki they are, but they said that ki they are ready
their-
at that position. The position they all are reach, and at that position they are going, and they said that ki okay, this is important because what happened na, your brain, someone or someone is not good with you, so your brain guided that ki, okay, he is not doing good with me and he is not a good person. I am do this, I can beat him, I cannot talk to him, I cannot is going to speak him, I cannot help him. But the beauty na, take beauty start take the barrier.
Beauty only attract people. No, beauty only attract people. Beauty is, I think, is only outer layer with fade in time. with fade in time. But mind, if your mind is sharp or anything, it never fade in time. And
See, told very important thing. Beauty can fade with the time.
yes, sir.
Okay, as someone said that beauty can destroy with the age,
Yes.
but mind,
Mind.
sharp mind, it can help also in the old age.
Yes.
Okay, you can perform in the old age. Okay, we are younger, we are looking very handsome and
Yes.
beautiful, but with the time definitely our beauty is going to fade. Okay, and the people will not like. So what do you think, Sri?
He said that beauty fades with the time. Then what's about Sarmila Tagore, Zeenat Aman? What's about that? What you say about Amitabh Bachchan? Is he is not looking handsome? Is it at that stage of his career?
I
At
say
that
beauty
stage of
fade with time, but they are eating healthy food. They are following healthy diet, so their beauty is not fading. But they are changing. Their faces change.
Because of brain they are eating healthy
Yes,
food.
sir.
Okay, they know which type thing they should take.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because of that. Okay, because they have very sharp mind, they are leading the society, they are living the society. I have seen that those people are looking very beautiful, but they don't have proper manner how to take food, and they don't know how to maintain the routine.
They don't
Because
know
of
how
that.
to conversation.
Yeah, conversation. Okay, so what do you think that, do you have any example where you can say that brain is very important?
How can you answering my question?
which one? What is the question?
Because of knowledge, not of beauty. Understood?
Because
Knowledge.
Yes.
What next?
Actually, he wants to say that how can you answer my question? Because of brain, you can answer
Okay.
of his question, not because of beauty.
But because of beauty, I am here.
Because of
Because
beauty, you are
beauty,
here.
I am here. Because beauty, I am. Because of the beauty, I am here.
You have no
I
knowledge.
came to study here. Why? Because I choose to came. The reason behind it that I want to pursue something in life. To
You
prove
are come here
myself,
to
to prove myself and my family, I have to do something for the society. Your brain start manipulating us. Brain works like that. It start manipulating, and you can't deny this thing. That brain is the best thing, also the worst thing. But you can't say that, hurt that beauty that it is the worst thing.
It's your perspective that you are thinking brain is manipulative, but in our perspective, brain is the thing of knowledgeable. It guides us to take admission and speak and improve our languages.
No, intellectual of beauty. This is intellectual of beauty. You don't have intelligence, so how can you express your feelings? How can you came here? Only mind is not enough for us.
Mind give
You
give
can
us.
survive. Yes,
I can
you
survive.
can survive in
I
the
can survive with the help of brain, because if I have brain, then beauty automatically come.
But if you
No,
are
no, no, no.
beautiful, na, then brain start working.
No.
Because when you decided,
Brain
okay,
is a
I
part
have,
of our body. It
Listen to
always
me.
work.
Listen to me. When you choose, na, that your actually beauty guides you. That okay, you have to do something for your parents, and then your brain is that we are not good, not good in subjects, okay, and not good in studies, not good in good well in academics. But when it comes to prove and but we think that my parents did a lot for us, but we are unable to do. I don't my mind is not working. I am unable to get something whatever I study. But when you take the decisions, I have to prove to my parents, and the reason behind is the beauty. The beauty guides you, and then your brain
Try to listen her. Okay.
It is my mind that motivate me or demotivate me, that I have to do or I have to matlab, achieve in our life whatever my parents want. It's not my beauty. With the help of beauty, I can't think. I can't make decision. With the help of mind, I can think wisely. I can make decision. I can do whatever I want. My beauty can't work for me. Can't earn money for me.
Okay, very nice. It was a very nice conversation. Okay, so let's come on the conclusion. What is very important? Beauty as brain. So I hope you will conclude nicely. So just try to one by one. What is your conclusion first?
Sir, beauty is more important.
Okay.
I also choose beauty because your brain start manipulating.
Okay. According to you, what is your conclusion?
So according to me, beauty is useless without a good knowledge and brain.
Okay, very good. Okay, Yasmin, what's your opinion in conclusion?
My opinion is always mind. Mind is more important.
Okay, very good. It was very nice conversation,
Thank you,
and
sir.
everyone spoke very nice. Okay, so I wanna just clap for everyone to yourself that it was a first day, and you performed very nice, and you tried very nice to make your point, and that was very nice. And I hope in the future you are going to do nice in this way, because this is your first day and you perform, you spoke very nice. I appreciate yourself. And audience, just I wanna say that it was first day a panel talk, and I hope you will also enjoy this conversation, this debate. And if they make any kind of mistakes, please avoid this, because it was a first day and session. So thank you everyone, thank you all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay.